mushrooms, charcuterie meat. You know those fancy boards with all the meats? Charcuterie meat, turkey kielbasa, barbecue sauce, and more cookies. All have been recalled. This is getting to be way, way, way too much. I'm going to start with the mushrooms. So many people eat mushrooms. Now, I don't know if you all are eating fresh mushrooms, frozen mushrooms, but this is for frozen mushroom product. It is a risotto. This is actually a public health alert. They haven't even recalled it yet. A public health alert. Frozen mushroom risotto products. This is a 7-ounce cardboard packaging. It contains wild fork porcini mushroom risotto bites. They have a best by date of October 11th of 2024. That's a long ways out, but you have to remember frozen products last a long time. So if you have purchased these, please, please, please check your freezer. These frozen mushroom products are said to have been misbranded and contain undeclared allergens. Now, they have not said what the allergens are. So, I know a lot of people that are cooking vegan and vegetarians use lots and lots of mushrooms. I don't know if you always buy them fresh, but if you have purchased this particular product, please do not consume it. And I would take it back and request a refund. Now, the charcuterie meat. Fratelli Beretta USA Incorporated has recalled charcuterie meat. This is for the 18-ounce plastic tray containers containing the sampler packages. The samplers include prosciutto, sweet Italian sausage, and coppa. They are also sold in twin 9-ounce packages. This is ready-to-eat charcuterie meat, and it may contain salmonella contamination.
Some charcuterie meat sold at Sam's Club stores is being recalled over the risk of salmonella contamination. Several illnesses and hospitalizations have already been reported.
They have not stated any best by dates or use by dates. They have not stated where this has been sold. So if you have any of this charcuterie meat, please do not consume it, but take it back where you may have purchased it. Sound Partners LLC has recalled over 133 pounds of turkey kielbasa sausage. We are all familiar with the turkey kielbasa sausages, I'm sure. 133 pounds? This is the ready-to-eat turkey kielbasa in the 13-ounce plastic vacuumed sealed packages.
A Wisconsin company is recalling its turkey kielbasa after reports that bone fragments were found in the sausage.
They have a use-by date of April 24th, 2024 and April 27th, 2024. These turkey kielbasas have been recalled due to the possibility of being contaminated with extraneous material. Extraneous material. We've got a couple more to go to, but before I get to those, if you want to stay up to date and informed about these recalls, please take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell to all, because that is the only way you're going to get the notifications when I come on to tell you about these recalls. If it's set to anything else, you'll still be notified, but it will be based off of the history of when you are typically online. And that may not be soon enough. So take a second and subscribe to the channel. Now, Wegmans has voluntarily recalled outrageous oat cookies. These cookies have been purchased starting in January 3rd of 2024. They have been sold in Washington, D.C., Delaware, Maryland, Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. These cookies are ones that are sold by the pound, and they have been recalled due to undeclared wheat. How many people have wheat allergies? Oh my goodness. If you are allergic to wheat or know someone that is allergic to wheat that may have bought any of these cookies since January the 3rd, please do not consume them, and please share this with them so that they will be aware of the possibility that these cookies contain wheat and it is undeclared, so they would have no way of knowing. The company has even stated that if you have an allergic reaction to wheat, that consuming these cookies could be very serious, even life-threatening, and they have said you can return them for a full refund. Whew, this is too much, y'all. This is way too much. Moving on to the barbecue sauce. Ventura Foods of California has recalled through Publix. This particular barbecue sauce is only sold at Publix, but it's been sold at many Publix. It is for their barbecue sauce that is Carolina style mustard barbecue sauce. This is the one that would have been bought. It would have been bought, the Carolina style mustard barbecue sauce, but it actually contains the traditional sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So now that means you got to buy barbecue sauce, and what reads on the label is not in there at all. Something completely different is in there. And the traditional sweet and spicy barbecue sauce could contain a fish allergen, specifically anchovy. So if you're allergic, have any seafood or fish allergies, please be aware that this barbecue sauce that reads, first of all, if you think you bought the Carolina style mustard barbecue sauce, that's not what you got. You have the traditional sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, okay? So first of all, it's wrong on multiple levels, okay? So you might as well get ready to take it back. And Publix has said that you can return it to their local stores. Now, where has this product been sold? It's been sold in Publix in Alabama, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. Please, again, share this video out to make everyone aware if they may have come in contact with any of these foods. They need to be aware. Today is January 11th, 2024.